if I told you that you could start earning money today by doing something as simple as copying and pasting? No complex skills, no upfront investment, just computer, your smartphone, an internet connection, and a willingness to learn. In today's digital world, there are countless ways to make money online, but not all of them are beginners friendly. Copy-paste jobs are perfect for anyone looking to make extra income with minimal effort. Let's start by understanding what copy-paste jobs are. Essentially, these tasks involve copying text, images, or data from one source and pasting it into another. They are used in a variety of fields like data entry, content management, and social media marketing. There are different types of copy-paste jobs available, such as data entry, managing product listing on e-commerce sites, and even working as a virtual assistant. The possibilities are broader than you might think. Finding legitimate opportunities. Where do we look for legitimate copy and paste job? No, copy and paste job can be tricky, but it's possible if you know where to look out for it. Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr are great starting points. These platforms connect you with clients looking for freelancers to handle these tasks. It's very important to be aware of potential scam. A good rule of thumb is to avoid offers that seems too good to be true, to require an upfront payment. Always do your research before committing to a project. Now, what are the tools to maximize efficiency? To excel at copy and pasting tasks, we need a few basic tools. Clipboard managers like Ditto or ClickClip can save you time by storing multiple copied items at once. Google Docs and Sheets are also great for organizing your work. And what are the automation tips? If you want to take a step further, you can use automation tools like AutoHotkey to create scripts that automate repetitive tasks. This will allow you to handle more jobs and increase your earnings. Accuracy is key in these jobs. Make sure to double check your work and follow any specific instructions given by the client. This not only ensure you get paid, but also build your reputation for further projects. Once you are comfortable with basic tasks, it's time to scale up. You can start by taking on multiple jobs simultaneously or exploring more specialized role that pays better. Consider offering additional services like simple data analysis or basic content formatting. Now, you have to build a client base. Building a steady client base is very crucial. Provide excellent service, communicate effectively, and ask for feedback. Happy clients are more to rehire you and for you to work with them. Copy and paste job might sound simple, but they can be a legitimate way to earn money online, especially if you are just starting. Remember, the key is consistency and continuous improvement. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on making money online. Let me know in the comments if you have any question or if there's any specific topic you would like us to cover. Thank you. Bye.